Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ces Paulo, and if you are a returning subscriber, nakuyanza, and if this is your first time here, kindly consider subscribing to this amazing channel. As you can see today, I'm just showing you my door, and this is my bedroom door, the inside and the outside. It's a blue color and I do not like it at all because it speaks of an old house. I know it's an old house, but I don't like how these doors scream traditional, and I just want to transform them because I don't like them. They don't blend with anything in my house, and I feel like blue is not a nice color to put on a door. This is the bathroom door, which I'm also going to be transforming. As you can see, this is how it looks. It looks very bad, and I honestly don't know whoever was designing this place, what made them think that blue fits a door, because I feel like doors should be brown, grays, blacks, and that. So we are going to use this crown paint, and it's a Vesta one. It's written gloss, meaning it has a shiny finish, and the color is granite, as you can see. So it's a bit of gray, but it's called granite. So if you want to do it, this is how I did it. I separated, like I poured a small amount in a different container because you don't want to have the whole container with you in case of spillage. And you first of all start by painting the frame of the door, as you can see, like I'm doing here. And for this paint, we are not going to dilute it because we need the paint to be very thick, because we are transforming from a blue color to a gray color. And on the sides, I found it better to hold the brush like this. As you can see, you hold it horizontally so that you reduce the chances of applying paint on the sides. You can also use masking tape, line it on the frames of the door on the sides of the wall so that you can achieve a more perfect look. But if you're careful, you really don't need the masking tape. But if you're concerned, it's okay to line it and also put a piece of newspaper or carton on the floor so that you don't dirtify your floor with the gray paint. And as you can see, when I'm painting the door now after the frame, I go in the direction of the wood. If the wood is going vertically, I hold my brush vertically. If it's horizontally, I do that just so that you achieve a clean finish. As you can see here, I'm going vertically, the same direction of the walls of the door. And make sure you use a thick coat. Make sure on the corners, you see the lines, the ones that separate each wood, make sure you put enough paint to go inside there, because you don't want some blue peeping. And my intention is only to use one coat. So if you're not generous, if you don't use the correct amount, you're going to have to come and do a second coat. And if you do a second coat, 1 liter of paint will not be enough, because I will use only 1 liter to do both the bedroom door and the bathroom door. So just apply a thick layer on the first coat so that you don't have to do a second coat. You know, I thought of using marble paper on this door, but I thought the finish should not be good because I'd maybe see the cracks on the door. So I realized painting is actually the best way. And now I'll show you how I painted my bathroom door. This is how I did it. And on the doors, this is how I do it. So in case you're wondering how I painted the handles, yet I did not cover the handles to prevent them from being dirty, this is how I did it. You just use very short strokes like that on the sides. Be very careful. I think it's just easier for you guys to see. Like, I can't really explain what I'm doing here, but I bet you can see how I painted the handles. And painting, guys, is very convenient because first of all, it's upgrading that place that you're living in case the door looks like this. So I don't think when you're moving out, the caretaker will have a problem with that. And if he has a problem with that, you just need to paint it back to blue. Like, painting is the easiest way. If you're living in a rental house and you're tired, you don't want to live in that place, maybe all you need to do is just paint the doors and voila. So this is how our bedroom door looked before. I didn't like it. And let me show you now how it looks. Oh my god, just look at that, guys. I love how it looks. Just look how the crown paint is so glossy as it's written. That's why I keep on insisting on using a good quality paint so that you can get a good finish like this. Like, my door has literally transformed. I now love this place. I never liked standing here, but now I even feel like I'll be taking even selfies here because the door is totally upgraded. So if you need to upgrade your door, it's as simple as painting it. Just buy that paint. It's going to cost you 500 to 800 maximum, and you have your dream door. Look at that. When you open, the light just it's bouncing nicely. It blends in with my decor. It blends with my curtains, my carpet, and everything. Look at the inside of the door, guys. Just look at how nice it looks. Woo! Painting these doors was literally the best decision I have made in this house. And if you're thinking twice, don't think twice. Just paint that door whatever color you want. You're tired, you don't want to paint the whole house, it's okay, just paint the door. Now this is the bathroom. That's how it looks before, and this is the after. It's beautiful. I love how it looks. Oh my god, like, I didn't know that it would make such a big difference, and I am amazed. Just look at how the doors look like, and the finish is so good. And I told you I just used 1 liter of paint to achieve this. So for 2 doors, if you're painting 4 doors, maybe you'll need 2 liters, but I'll insist on buy a good quality paint, either Crown, Duracoat or Basco. Those are the only ones I recommend, because from experience, from what I've been showing you guys, you can see this paint has done me justice, and I love how the house looks like. And if you love it too, please give this video a big thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Also share with your friends so that they can transform their doors too. Bye.